This tutorial guides you through sending SMS messages using the HEMSP Student Portal. You will learn how to create templates, send SMS, and review message history efficiently. As a first step, we need to create the SMS template. To create the template, in the main menu, click on SMS Messages, then SMS Templates. To create a new template, click on Actions, then Add New. Start by adding the template name. Choose the Send to List in case you would like to use this template for mass SMS. Then add the message. You can use tags. You can insert tags such as first name, last name. In this example, we will add first name and then add the message. Once you're done, click on Finish. To send an SMS to a contact, click on the contact name. Under Activities, locate the SMS tab where you can view all the existing SMS. To send an SMS, click on Actions and then click Send SMS. Select the template that was created and then click Send. You will view a SMS sent successful message. To view the list of total sent SMS, in the main menu, go to SMS Messages and then click on SMS History. On the SMS History page, you will be able to view all sent SMS and their status. You can view the SMS that was sent, and you can filter by status or sender. From the Actions menu, you can download your SMS usage for a specific date. You have successfully learned how to create SMS templates, send messages, and review SMS history and usage in the HEMSP Student Portal.